Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a moving zoom picture edit on the CapCut PC. So first, just add the pictures that you want, and then you can just use the keyframe on the scale here. At the start, I'm going to just add keyframe on scale and also position. Then I'm going to zoom in by enlarging the scale of the picture like this. And for the position, you can just drag it or move the picture to whichever you like. Okay, just move forward a bit, then move the picture to whichever or random direction like this. So you can just move it to every direction. You can also zoom it out. Okay, so you can just do this until the end of the pictures. And that's it. Okay, so that's all from me, and the result for the moving zoom picture will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.